You guys are going to be on YouTube, by the way.
Oh, okay. That's fine.
All right.
Real life view of it.
Sure.
Ready to take the first ride?
Sure.
Sure.
Let's go.
I told them, I said, nobody's looking at the trek, they're just staring at the big wheel. So what does that tell you? Alright guys, welcome to the channel. First big wheel ride, we let Drew take it for a rip. He's the one that welded the swing arm, so it's only right. We're gonna go follow him around. So Drew, what is your honest opinion of this big wheel? You welded the swing arm. You got me motivated to get this project going. If it wasn't for you, we probably wouldn't have done this. So I want to know your honest opinion of this.
I love it.
It's a freaking blast, man.
It's more than I thought it would be. I don't even want to hop in my CRF right now. I mean, I putted around the trails on it. I loved it in the woods. I loved it on the track.
It's awesome.
It's fun in the sand.
We just got to get one of these with some paddle tires, right?
Yeah.
Try it out.
Green out west, out in the sand dunes. And it's pretty incredible for a bike that we didn't touch the suspension clickers on. I'm trying to think, I'm just mind blown.
Yeah.
It was easy to hop on and get comfortable with right away.
Yeah.
Especially after taking a couple laps in the dirt bike and then hopping on this. After warming up, it's great. Like,
crazy how planted the front tire feels too. Take a video, Scott.
Man.
Threw a whip on this thing.
Did he?
I saw a 25, 10, 12 tire sideways.
Yeah.
I was like, okay. A very large tire to be sideways.
Cool. Yeah.
You're gonna hit the double today.
The big double? Okay.
That's not big, it's 39 feet.
Okay, I got
You're
this.
fine. Close your eyes and hope for the best, right?
Yeah.
I got everything folded up. She's a big girl.
It's holding up. Yeah. Well, we know the tacks were good, so the weld's got to be good. I can't believe how well it fit.
I rode it tack welded, no issues.
I can't believe how well it fit on the bike too. It's fun.
It's hard to get off it because it's fun. It's
Yeah.
so different.
Say cheese.
slow it down. Well guys, I think we put it through the test. Everything's been holding up. I think we've done, God, 50, 60 laps so far. I'm not pushing it too hard. I'm obviously taking my time. But man, this thing is a freaking blast. So if you guys like big wheels, check out bbcbigwheels.com. You can go to bbcoffroad.com. Give us a call, 518-563-3699. So, no helmet, your hair looks like you went through a wind tunnel. Tell me about your first ride.
I love it.
It's pretty cool, right?
It's awesome.
Coming from your CR500 past, it's a little different, but...
Do we build a CR500 big wheel?
You want to do...
No, this is plenty.
Okay.
This is plenty. This is awesome.
I think we had
I
some...
was out there on the track, I was starting to get the feel of it. I was like, boy, it's been about 5 years since I've been on a bike.
The man that says more power says it's good. I never thought I'd do that.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun today.